What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment, share. So today we have another Quest recipe. Today we're making nachos. This is gonna be a real quick, easy recipe. You can do this after your workout, before your workout, if you need just a quick snack. As long as you have the meat pre-prepped, you're good to go. Let's get right into it. Spread your chips onto the baking sheet. I usually use 2 bags because, as you can see, only 1 bag is not going to be enough. I think these bags are mostly filled with air. Oh, this one's broken up a little bit. Hopefully your bag has more whole chips than mine. So I like to just kind of, I don't know, pile them in the middle, just like that. You spread them a little bit. All right, so let's go over the ingredients real quick. So we have 28 grams of a mixed blend of cheese. You can use any cheese you want. I guess you can choose based on what your macro splitter is. Then we have 4.5 ounces of ground beef. This is 96%, it's a fairly lean cut. And then we have 50 grams of onions mixed with 50 grams of peppers, bell peppers. And then I have the sour cream as an additional option. I'm not that big a fan of sour cream, but you guys can add it if you want to, but I have it here just as an extra idea. You can also add guacamole, but I hate guacamole. That. So first thing we're gonna do is add a little bit of cheese. I like to just sprinkle just a little bit because it kind of acts like a glue. So that's kind of how I think of it, like it's just gonna bind the ingredients together. Then I'm gonna add some of the ground beef. For me right now, I'm making like a big protein bomb, so you're gonna see there's gonna be a lot of ground beef. You guys can use less if you don't want it so meat heavy. I like to put it on there slow. It doesn't kind of just crumble all over the place. Put my meat everywhere. Add a little bit more cheese now to bind it. Also, I like the cheese in layers. I think that makes it look a little bit more aesthetic and it makes it come out a little bit better, in my opinion. I'm gonna add the veggies now. I like to use different colored bell peppers because it just makes the food look pretty. I think the prettier your food looks, it makes it more attractive, and I low-key think it psychologically makes you more satisfied. You feel like you really ate something special, at least me. Like this low-key almost looks like something you would get at a restaurant. Maybe if Quest had a restaurant, a Quest-restaurant. I'm gonna sprinkle the last layer of cheese on here now. And if you guys have extra fat in your macros and you can afford it, you can use more cheese than I did. I'm lactose intolerant and I don't have that much fat left for the day, so I'm using my 1 serving, my 28 grams, and the chips are nacho cheese flavored anyway, so we don't need to go too hard. So that's really pretty much it. So we're gonna put it in the oven. I have it preheated already. It's set to 350 and we're gonna leave it in there until the cheese melts. I find like that's a good point to take it out. Once the cheese is gooey and it's all over the place, you can take it out. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Look at that. Alright, so we'll check that in about 10 minutes. Alright, so smelling like nachos in here. We're gonna go ahead and check on it. Yup, cheese is melted. We're gonna take it out. The outer chips are browning a little bit. This is definitely done. Take a look at that. Gorgeous. So we're gonna go ahead and plate these and we're gonna do our usual taste test. Food for Rude, he's gonna taste these and he's gonna let you guys know how I did.
This is 10 out of 10, guys. Let me take one more, guys. 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna give you a fork. You want a fork?
I don't need that, but.
That is really good, and I'm not just saying it because I made it. It tastes like restaurant nachos, to be honest with you, but it's high in protein, moderate fat, very low carbs. So that's a wrap, guys. This recipe is very scalable. You can modify it to fit your macros, but I will leave the macros for the one we just made here today in the description. Rude said it was fire. I think it's fire. I think you guys will also think it's fire. So with that being said, share this recipe with your friends. Like, comment, subscribe. Coach K out.